Hi, I'm Rosie. I'm from Sugar Coated, and today I'm going to show you how to do your underarms. It's perhaps not the easiest places to do it yourself, but maybe giving you a few tips, perhaps that will help you. Most important is you have a mirror. Without a mirror, underarms can be a bit difficult to do. So I've got a mirror, a magnifying glass, a magnified mirror. And I've got the product which I've already warmed up. Make sure that you prepare everything and keep it ready. So the product's warm. I've got my talc, my spray, and as always a damp towel, which is always useful and handy. So I'm gonna show you that I do have hairs which are quite fine because years of waxing has really reduced the hair growth. During this time of the year, your underarms do get a bit sweaty and damp. So when you're doing the treatment, you'll have to make sure that you talc it thoroughly. And even if you, not necessarily just once, but as you go along, you can do it a few times. So I'm gonna talc it quite. Talc will freeze it, it gets the hair free from the skin as well as it absorbs the moisture. So I've got the product. It has got lavender extract, which has really, it has got, lemongrass extract, which really has got a lovely smell and antiseptic properties. So I'm going to apply, I'll have to do it in two sections because there are some of the hairs which are going in this direction. So take your spatula and try and get a thin layer and do it in a small patch. As you can see, I've got it. Put your strip on top of the area that you have applied, and make sure that there is enough room at the top so that you can pull the strip quite effectively. So you go stretch your arm and go 1, 2, 3, just pull it down, and as you can see that you've got the hairs out. Again, I would say talc it because this area tends to sweat quite a bit. Take the product at the end, scrape one side, as little as you possibly can, and do the bottom area. Again, a small patch. Take the strip, place it at the area that is applied, enough room, stretch the arm as far as you can possibly can. And there you go. Got the hairs out. And as you can see, that all my hairs have come out quite well. So if you need to go over the area again, do not hesitate. So I'm going to talc it. Same again, take it at the end of the spatula, scrape one side, take a strip, keep it ready, and then apply a little bit in one direction. Place the strip where the products put. Enough room at the top, stretch your arm, and there you go. Stretching is the most important thing, and keeping it, there you go, you can see that. I'm going to do that next section. Place the strip and stretch your arm again. So I hope this helps, and if you've got any comments or any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Many thanks and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.